Now let's explore the Excel import option. This feature allows you to bring in multiple questions and answers at once by uploading a spreadsheet file. To get started, simply enter a name for your quiz. Next, click here to upload your Excel file. QuizFlight supports both XLSX and XLS file formats, so you can use whichever version is most convenient. If you're unsure about the format, don't worry. You can download the sample file provided below, fill it out with your own content, and upload it directly. Once uploaded, your questions will automatically appear, ready for editing or publishing. Back in the dashboard, you'll notice that your new quiz now appears alongside your existing projects.